Good morning, students. Today in your English class, we are going to complete your chapter 2nd. Its name is Rikki Tikki and Nag. In our previous video, we have already discussed its two pages, page number 18 and 19. Today, we will discuss its next page. It's 20. So, let's start. Rikki Tikki tingled with rake means Rikki Tikki tingle means ting with his complete temper. Raise means here temper. Then Nag had came through the sluice and his 5 feet of cold body followed it. Then after that Nag had came out through that sluice. Sluice means that devices of which is full of water, and his 5 feet lengthy body followed it means his body follow his head. Angry as he was, it was very angry. Rikki Tikki was frightened. During that time, Rikki Tikki was afraid. Frightened means afraid. When he saw size of the big cobra, Rikki Tikki feel very afraid when he saw the size of that snake. What am I to do? Now Rikki Tikki was thinking, what I do? Thought Rikki Tikki. If I kill him here, Nagina will know. So during that time, if I will kill him here just now, Nagina will know. But if I fight him out in open, if I fight him in open area, the odds will be in his favor. During that time, the other person will in his favor. Nag waved to and fro. Now Nag wave means moving and fro means frizzling. And then Rikki Tikki heard him drinking from the water jar. After that, Rikki Tikki heard him drinking from the water jar. He was there drinking in that water jar. That voices were heard by Rikki Tikki. That was used to fill the bath. The water was used there to fill the bath. That jar was completely filled with water. The water was during that time used for taking the bath. But instead of for purpose of bathing in that water, Nag is there. Nag wrapped himself coil by coil. Now Nag wrapped himself. Now Nag taking round his body coil by coil means a joint by his body complete sequence. Coil means here a joint of his body in a sequence. Round the bulbs at the bottom of the water jar. Now taking the round of his complete body at the bottom of that rounded water jar. And Rikki Tikki stayed still as that, and observing all that activity, Rikki Tikki feel there completely that means he was stay there and looking observing there that Nag feel that. After an hour he began to move inch by inch. After an hour, Rikki Tikki decided to move inch by inch towards the jar. Near that jar, Nag was asleep. During that time, Nag was asleep, and Rikki Tikki looked at his beak, and Rikki Tikki was observing means watching at his beak. What? At his big bag. His bag, which was very big, wondering where would be the best place to get a good hold. And decided where on his body is the best place to hold him. If I don't break his back at the first jump. If I don't, now he is thinking, who? Rikki Tikki. If I don't break back at the first jump. In a first jump, if I am not able to break his back, said Rikki, he will fight. Then he will fight with me. And if he fights, if the Nag will fight with him, oh Rikki, then what happened with me? Now Rikki is thinking about himself. He looked. Now he again looked at the thickness of the neck below the hood, at the thickness of the snake body below that hood, the area which was downside of the head. But that was too much for him. But that was also very frightening. Frightened to Rikki Tikki. And a bite. And a bite, if he will want to take near the tail, would only make Nag angry. Now Rikki Tikki also thinking, and he will bite near his tail, that will also make Nag very angry. It must be the head, he said at last. Now he decided he have to take a bite at the head. At the last he decided. The head above the hood, the head which is above that hood. And once I am there, and once if one time I am there, I mustn't let go. So I am control him completely. Then he jumped. After that his decision, he jumped. The head was laying a little clear of the water jar. The head was laying. The head was laid down a little clear of the water jar. During that time, in that water jar, Rikki bite down with all his might. Now Rikki, with his all might, means with his all force, bite him and brace. Brace means here supported, and taking his body supports his back against the buzz of the red earthenware jar. That earthenware jar which is you are observing in that pictures, that water jar. He give his body sports through this jar, which was earthenware, means made by that pottery, to hold down the head, to hold down the head. This gave him just 1 second purchase. This gave him just only 1 second. Means in a 1 second he balance his body and take a bite to that snake. And he made the most of it. Then he was battered. After that he battered, means bitten, to and fro like a rat. After his completely force, he was battered, means bitten, to and fro like a rat, and feeling that like a rat shaken by a dog. Just the feeling when a rat shaken by a dog. Back and forth on the floor. He was during that time going backside and forth on the floor. During that time he was feeling very low on this floor. Up and down. He is doing up and down and around in great circle. Means who is doing up and down and coming back and for front side and giving his body completely force. That snake. Sometime he is coming up and down and taking around in great circles. Means his body is very lengthy, so he is taking circles. Sorry. His eyes were red, but he held on as his body. His eyes were completely red. Whose eyes? During that time, Mongoose means Rikki Tikki eyes were completely red, but he held on his body. But he also held on his body. Was caught whipped over the floor. That cart whipped means completely feeling low whenever he is holding the snake body on that floor. He was dizzy means losing his balance. Dizzy means losing his balance. Aching, feeling pain. Aching means pain, and felt shaken to pieces when somebody went off like a thunderclap just behind him. Now feeling very low, just like who is bitten by someone. When somebody went off like a thunderclap just behind somebody, coming out a thunderclap means coming out a lightning behind him. A hot wind knocked him senseless. A hot wind means a very hot wind air knocked him near him coming, and during that time he feels senseless, and a red fire singed his fur, and red fire means coming red circle fire. Singed means here burn means burning fire. His fur which is near passing to his fur. To his fur means here his hair. Which hair? Mongoose hair. The big man had been waked by the noise. Now the owner of that house. I tell you, is a child name, and the owner. The owner that house, that big man had been waked. He wake up by the noise of that, by the noise of these insects, and had fired both barrels. Barrels means to forming part of an object of a shotgun into Nag means the big man give a fire by his gun to that Nag. Rikki Tikki held on with his eyes shut. Now, hearing this fire through the gun, Rikki Tikki held on with his eyes shut. He shut his eyes. For now he was quite sure. For now. Now this time he was sure he was dead. He was completely dead. But the hat did not move, and the big man picked him up and said, but the hat did not move. His hat did not move, and that big man picked him in his hand and said, "Eat the mongoose again. Eat the little mongoose again." Alice means very kind. Means Alice meaning here kind and noble. That little mongoose very kind. That's the little champ has saved our lives this time. That little champ which is very kind save our lives this time. So the author is in this story Rudyard Kipling, which was born 1865 and 1935. His dad was an English poet. He was an English poet, novelist also, and short story writer. His story was very short. That's why he was known as short story writer. He was born in India. And his story for children reflects his love for Indian culture. That's why in his story we observe Indian culture, which reflects love to our Indian culture. He is best known for his work, The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book is a very well known book. He was known for his best work through that book. So students, today we complete explanation of this chapter. In our next video, we will discuss the exercise, word meaning and question answer. So today you will read that chapter and do hard words. So hard words I will write on blackboard. Through that I will send you that you have to do in your notebook. Thank you.